This is your weather forecast for Andover, Kansas. There is a marginal risk of severe weather tonight. Monday night. Showers likely, along with a possible rumble of thunder early, then twilight stars after midnight. Low 73. Wind south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tuesday. Widely scattered showers or a thunderstorm early, then partly cloudy. High 91. Winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday night. Clear skies. Low 72. Winds southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wednesday. Sunny skies. High 92. Winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Wednesday night. Clear. Low 72. Winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday. Generally sunny, despite a few afternoon clouds. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 91. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thursday night. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Low 71. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday. Available clouds with scattered thunderstorms. Storms may contain strong gusty winds. High 89. Winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night. A few clouds from time to time. Low 72. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday. Sunshine and clouds mix. Hot. High 91. Winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Saturday night. Partly cloudy skies. Low 73. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday. Partly cloudy skies. High 92. Winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday night. Variably cloudy with scattered thunderstorms. Low around 70. Winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Monday. Partly cloudy in the morning, followed by scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. High 86. Winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night. Widely scattered showers or a thunderstorm early, then partly cloudy. Low 67. Winds light and available. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday. Interview of clouds and sunshine in the morning, with more clouds for later in the day. High 84. Winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tuesday night. Partly cloudy in the evening. Increasing clouds with periods of showers after midnight. Low 66. Winds east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday. Chance of a shower or two during the morning, followed by partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. High 86. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy starts early, giving way to a few showers at the midnight. Low 68. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday, partly cloudy, high 87. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy starts early. Scattered thunderstorms developing later at night. Low 70. Winds southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Friday, widely scattered showers or a thunderstorm early, then partly cloudy, high 91. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, widely scattered showers or a thunderstorm early, then partly cloudy, low around 70. Winds southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday, sunshine and clouds mix. High 91. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy, low around 69. Winds southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday, partly cloudy, high 92. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday night, isolated thunderstorm during the evening hours. Skies will become partly cloudy overnight. Low 69. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Monday, partly cloudy, high 92. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Monday night, a few clouds from time to time, low around 70. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And that is the weather forecast for Andover, Kansas.